What's up, Vikings? I'm Sydney, and this week we have a competition between two of our teachers, Mrs. Damon and Coach Baugh, to see how well they really know their colleagues. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the first one.
On the clock.
Mr. Baugh.
We're still looking? There's nothing up there right now.
Looks like a bald head.
It does. Oh, wow. Okay.
Mr. Baugh.
Alex Holt. Mr. Holt.
Hey,
Oh, my God. I didn't even see what that was going to be their head. Did you didn't even say Holt. I nailed that one. I got to be the winner on that.
You said Holt.
I did.
Kaprichka.
Mr. Kaprichka.
I said that
You maybe
first.
said it. You maybe did. I agree.
First
Good
one.
job. So you guys had good work. Oh, my gosh. I'm going to say Mr. Olson.
Sadler.
Sadler. Oh, we better not hit it with the music. We were just wrong. That's funny.
That was a blank.
Whoops.
Okay. Missouri.
Oh, good call,
Yeah.
I think. Good job. Well, this is the 9th grade advantage. You saw those earrings. I need somebody down an academic row down here for me.
Welch.
Gosh darn it. I've got to be down 3-1 now.
Is it Welch?
It's got to be Welch. Again.
I don't know. I teach right next to her.
Totally fine. Totally fine. I'm going to rally.
You're not, but it's
I'm going to rally. I feel it. No! Jeez. I'm going to rally. I feel it.
Terry.
Miss Martin! No! I know. That's I think I had full name. I had full name. I had full name. I might get credit for that one. Oh, another. That's a lady again. Look at the great teeth.
I was going to say, who has
Wow,
pastries?
who has great teeth? That's awesome. I mean, great smile.
Verba.
Oh, good work, Miss Verba. Awesome teeth on her part. Wow. I need to rally again. Teeth again. This was a tough one, because that's tough to determine male or female
More
here.
your area, boss.
Oh, Miss Fansfield! Yes, I got it late. I got it. Can't say I was checking his teeth out in the hallway, but. Ooh,
We should
that's
know this.
LaRosa.
Is it? I was going to say.
Yes, maybe closing the gap.
How many are?
Oh, yes, I can maybe tie right here.
What?
We need
We need to replay the tape to see who's actually winning.
I think you're ahead by 2, maybe 1. A Page.
Oh.
Be there, maybe,
That was
Mr. Page.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, we might have tied. How many were there? 10?
10.
Ooh, tough call. I bet you might win 6-4. It's kind of like Vegas, what goes on in Vegas. We cannot tell Miss Rother that we said two guys names.